50 plus commonly used English abbreviations. Internet and email abbreviations. At example abc@gmail.com /. This slash is often used to indicate or. Example: Dear Sir or Ma'am. Separate parts of a website address on the internet. Example: https://www.google.com/ In dates, to separate day, month, year. Example: She was born on 28/11/2014. From some abbreviations, example: N/A, not applicable, not available. Backslash. This slash is used for computer coding and file names. Example: C:\Windows. URL. Uniform Resource Locator. Example: https://www.youtube.com/ Round brackets or parentheses. Round brackets are basically used to add extra information to a sentence. Look at these examples. Explain or clarify. Tony Blair, the former British Prime Minister, resigned from office in 2007. Indicate plural or singular. Remove the pins from the leg. Define abbreviations. The matter will be decided by the IOC, International Olympic Committee. Square brackets or brackets. To add clarification. The witness said, he, the policeman, hit me. To add information. The two teams in the finals of the first FIFA Football World Cup were both from South America, Uruguay and Argentina. To add missing words. It is a good question. Underscore. Note: to make an underscore on most keyboards, hold the Shift key and press then hyphen or underscore key to the right of the zero. Use multiple underscores to create blanks. To create a long line with the underscore key, hold Shift and press the underscore key repeatedly until your line is the correct length. Example: how are dash or blank. How are you? Use the underscore to create an email address. Example: baby_boy@gmail.com. Asterisk. An asterisk is a star-shaped symbol, primarily used to call attention to a footnote. Example: the period is used as the end of a sentence that is a command or a statement. Asterisk. Asterisk. The period is also called full stop because it tells the reader that the sentence has ended. Note: if there are multiple footnotes, more than one, use 1 asterisk for the first footnote, 2 asterisks for the second, and so on. And be sure that footnotes at the bottom of the page match the asterisks in the original text. First footnote, second footnote, third footnote. Email, electronic mail. CC, carbon copy. For example, you are sending an email to a client with the project details. You want to send a copy of your email to your project manager so that he is kept in the loop. In this case, you will enter the prospective client's email address in the to field and your manager's email address in the CC field. 2. client@gmail.com, CC manager@gmail.com. BCC, blind carbon copy. All email addresses that are mentioned in the BCC field are kept hidden, so recipients in the to and CC field are unable to see them. Other English abbreviations: AM, anti-meridian. Example: 9 AM. PM, post-meridian. Example: 5 PM. Easy, exempli gratia. It means, for example, IE, idest. It means that is. Please turn over. CV, curriculum vitae. PS, postscript. It means add extra information at the end of the letter. SMS or text or chat abbreviations. ASAP, as soon as possible. Example: can you call me ASAP? AFAIK, as far as I know. Example: as far as I know, you are an engineer. B4. BTW, by the way. Example: by the way, I have to go now. TMI, time for the meeting or too much information. IMO, in my office. IRL, in real life. BRB, be right back or but really beautiful. Example: I will be right back or I will BRB. ATM, at the moment. CU, FYI, for your information. HRU, how are you? LOL, laughing out loud. OMG, oh my god. NP, no problem. PLZ, please. TY, thank you. VS, versus. DIY, do it yourself. Example: DIY kitchen repairs. FOMO, fear of missing out. Example: I really can't stand having FOMO. Educational degree and job titles abbreviations. BA, Bachelor of Arts. BSc, Bachelor of Science. MA, Master of Arts. MPhil, Master of Philosophy. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. JD, Juris Doctor. DC, Doctor of Chiropractic. PA, Personal Assistant. MD, Managing Director. VP, Vice President. SVP, Senior Vice President. EVP, Executive Vice President. CMO, Chief Marketing Officer. CFO, Chief Financial Officer. CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Don't forget to connect with me on all of my social media. We will meet soon for another lesson. Thank you.